Confused about the carb controversy? Not all carbs are created equal, especially when it comes to your blood sugar. In this video, we'll dive into the world of good carbs versus bad carbs and their distinct impacts on your blood sugar and energy levels. Stick around to uncover how choosing the right carbs can revolutionize your health and vitality. As a nutritionist who's coached hundreds of women over the years, I've seen the dramatic effects that different types of carbs can have on our bodies, and I'm here to share that knowledge with you. Before I get into it, when I use the terms bad or good, I don't mean them literally. Food has no moral value, but in the context of this video, there are carbs that are good for you and carbs that are bad for you. Let's start by defining what good and bad carbs are and how they're processed differently in the body. Carbohydrates are like the fuel for our bodies, but not all carbs are created equal. Good carbs, also known as complex carbs, are like the premium fuel. They include whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. These carbs are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a slow and steady release of energy. It's like having a consistent and reliable energy source that keeps you going throughout the day without any crashes. On the other hand, bad carbs or simple carbs are like the cheap fuel that burns out quickly. These include refined sugars, white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks. They are stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients during processing, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. It's like putting your foot on the gas pedal and then hitting a brick wall. You get a quick burst of energy followed by a sudden crash. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the impact of these different types of carbs on our health. The research showed that diets high in good carbs, particularly whole grains, are associated with a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. In contrast, diets high in bad carbs are linked to increased risks of these diseases. The quality of the carbs we choose play a significant role in our overall health. So when we talk about good carbs versus bad carbs, it's not just about weight management. It's about fueling our bodies with the right kind of energy for optimal health and performance. Good carbs provide a sustained energy release, keeping our blood sugar levels stable and our bodies functioning at their best. Bad carbs, on the other hand, lead to energy spikes and crashes, negatively impacting our mood, energy levels, and long-term health. Now let's delve into the wild ride that is the blood sugar roller coaster and how bad carbs are the culprits behind those dizzying highs and lows. When we consume bad carbs like refined sugars and processed foods, our bodies quickly break them down into glucose, leading to a rapid spike in our blood sugar levels. It's like pressing the turbo button in a race car. You get a sudden burst of speed, but it's not sustainable for the long haul. This sudden spike triggers our pancreas to release insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Insulin helps transport glucose into our cells for energy. However, when too much glucose floods our system, insulin works overtime to clear it out, leading to a sharp drop in blood sugar levels. This drop is the crash after the high, leaving us feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugar. It's a vicious cycle, like being on a roller coaster that you can't seem to get off. A study in the journal Nutrients highlights the impact of this blood sugar roller coaster on our health. It found that diets high in bad carbs are associated with increased risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. These conditions are like the long-term consequences of riding the roller coaster too many times. Eventually, your body struggles to keep up and your health pays the price. On the flip side, good carbs provide a more stable source of energy. They are broken down more slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This slow and steady release is like cruising in a sailboat, enjoying the journey without any sudden jolts. It keeps your energy levels balanced and our mood stable, helping us steer clear from the blood sugar roller coaster. Transitioning from the tumultuous ride of the blood sugar roller coaster, let's explore the serene journey provided by good carbs. These nutritional allies offer a stable and sustained source of energy, keeping your blood sugar levels balanced and your vitality intact throughout the day. It's like swapping a rickety, unpredictable roller coaster for a smooth, scenic train ride. Good carbs, such as rice, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, are rich in fiber and nutrients. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a gradual increase in blood sugar levels. This slow and steady release of glucose provides your body with a consistent energy supply, preventing the spikes and crashes associated with bad carbs. It's akin to having a reliable, long-lasting battery that powers you throughout your day without any sudden shutdowns. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition underscores the importance of fiber in maintaining stable energy levels. The research found that dietary fiber, particularly from whole grains, are associated with improved glycemic control and reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This highlights the pivotal role the good carbs play in supporting not only your immediate energy needs, but also your long-term metabolic health. By incorporating good carbs into your meals, you're not just fueling your body, you're investing in your overall well-being. These nutrient-dense carbohydrates provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a wide range of bodily functions, from immune health to cognitive performance. It's like nurturing a flourishing garden, where each plant contributes to a vibrant and healthy ecosystem. Now that we've explored the energy stabilizing benefits of good carbs, let's tackle the practical aspects of identifying these nutritional gems in your daily diet. The key to success lies in distinguishing between the good and the bad, ensuring that your meals are not only delicious but also nourishing. Start by becoming a label detective. When shopping for packaged foods, scrutinize the nutrition labels and ingredients lists. Be wary of items with added sugar or refined grains, as these are telltale signs of bad carbs. It's like deciphering a code, where each clue leads you closer to making healthier choices. Next, shift your focus to the perimeter of the grocery store, with fresh produce, whole grains, and legumes reside. These are the havens for good carbs. Fill your cart with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, opt for brown rice or quinoa, and choose sourdough bread over white bread. It's like curating a vibrant palette for nutrients for your body's canvas. Incorporating good carbs into your meals doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start with simple swaps, like replacing sugary breakfast cereals with oatmeal, adding your favorite protein powder in it, and topping it with fresh berries. Or trading in white pasta for whole wheat or legume-based alternatives. Chickpea pasta is my favorite, and my kids love it too. Each swap is a step towards a more balanced and healthful diet. Tell me, what's been your biggest challenge in managing carbs in your diet? Share your experiences in the comments below. I want to leave you with some practical tips for a balanced carb intake, especially for those of you transitioning from a low carb or a keto diet. If you've been avoiding carbs for a while, the thought of reintroducing them might seem daunting. But don't worry. Carb cycling is an excellent way to ease back into enjoying carbs without experiencing any negative symptoms like energy crashes or weight gain. Carb cycling involves alternating between higher carb and lower carb days, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of carbs while still maintaining control over your blood sugar and energy levels. It's like having the best of both worlds. You can indulge in your favorite carb-rich foods on certain days and then scale back on others to keep your metabolism on its toes. If you're new to carb cycling or unsure where to start, my Carb Cycling Quick Start course is here to help. This course is specifically designed for those coming from a low carb or keto background. providing you with all the tools and knowledge that you need to transition smoothly and successfully. You'll learn how to balance your carb intake, identify the right carbs for your body, and implement carb cycling in a way that supports your health and fitness goals. Click the link below to join my Carb Cycling Quick Start course. I'll see you inside. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Watch my next video in this series of how to find your carb sweet spot for fat loss success to continue your journey to optimal health. I'll see you in the next video.